Hey guys, I wanted to share with you another great way on how to find cheap properties to build your real estate portfolio, okay? This involves attending or bidding in actual estate auctions, okay? Estate sales, all right? Using auctionzip.com, you're able to aggregate all the auction warehouses around the U.S. that use this website, and you're able to quickly search and find estate sales in your area where they are selling the house along with, the other knickknacks of the estate. So all you have to do, similar to, the other search engines, you simply put in your data where you're looking at. Here I'm going to be looking around the St. Louis area, 30-mile radius, and we're looking for real estate, residential real estate. Here we are. So we hit the search button, and what will pop up is an actual auction calendar. Now we want to pay attention to the blue text, because the blue text are the auctions or the estate sales where the actual property, there's actual residential property being sold as part of the state. Okay, so if we click here at the first one, you'll see that we'll have 4 properties here that are going to be sold tomorrow, and you can see I've already clicked here on this 334 BB Road, and this is why I wanted to show you guys, because I found this deal and I figured I better make a video on this so you guys can learn and use this yourself to go ahead and increase your portfolio. But here, let's go ahead and click on this and get the details. You'll see here the auction will end on the 12th. It's a 2-bedroom home, full basement, detached, 1,700 square foot pole barn, and a detached 700 square foot 2-car garage. So plenty of space, and it's sitting on 2.5 acres. That's prime real estate, especially for the area that's in, which is around Columbia, Illinois. Generally, properties in this area, especially if they have land like that, 2.5 acres, that's quite a bit. I mean, you're looking at a $200,000 property easy. So, you're asking, well, how do you bid on this? Generally, all you have to do is they'll have the auctioneer's website. You can go there and you can register there, and they'll have the bid information there. So we're going ahead and go to the auctioneer's website and see what details are there. So here we are. We're at the listing on the auctioneer's website. The bidding is open, it says. Bidding ends November 10th. So tomorrow, again, it has all the same information. And you can see here there's been many bids on it. It's already up to $75,000, this house is. So yeah, I mean, this house isn't going to be the dirt cheap houses that I've been showing before, but there's definitely a lot of value here. Like I said, I think this house would be worth in excess of $200,000, maybe even around the $250,000 range. So if you're able to pick this house up for $100 or under $100,000, you're looking at having at least $100,000 in equity, maybe even $150,000 in equity built in just by buying this property. So let's go ahead and check out this property, see what it's all about. Let's see if they have some good pictures here. Look, it looks like we have a brick house here, which is, that's solid. Double front doors there, which is convenient for moving in. Yeah, I can already tell that this house is dated. It's going to need plenty of upgrades, but hey, this is a decent size bathroom here. Starting off, whoops, we have the pink bedroom here. I mean, hey, nothing paint can't change. Also, I mean, look at the carpets. You can tell this is pretty old. I mean, this is like from 70s, 80s style carpets. You can tell. Kitchen's decent sized. Another bathroom here. Yeah, look, check out these carpets, man. Yeah. So I mean, hey, this property, it's got good bones. That's what you're looking for, okay? Looks like we're in the basement now. You got a dehumidifier down there. Maybe they have some water issues, maybe not. Hard to tell. But everything's checking out so far, so good. Hey, there's nothing here that, showing, well, hey, that's just going to be a money pit, and, so that's good. And, what I like to do to get a rough estimate of where the value should be on this, I like to go ahead and go to like realtor.com and just type in the address, and you can see here, I've already done that, and this has, an estimated value of around $250,000. I think that might be a little high for what it is. I think after it's all renovated, you're looking at $250,000 to $300,000. But as is, I don't see that right now. But there's plenty of opportunity there to fix that up for cheap and get that value to go up. Well, hey, that does it for this video. I encourage you to consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing more videos just like this one. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one, okay?